In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix login errors on Reddit. If Reddit is not letting you sign in properly, one of the quickest and most effective things you can do is clear recent browsing data from your browser. This helps remove outdated cached files or session data that may be interfering with the login process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your browser and look at the top right corner. You'll see the three-line menu icon there. Go ahead and click it. This menu gives you access to your browser's main controls and settings, and that's where we need to go to start troubleshooting the Reddit login issue. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to the browser settings page where you can manage things like performance, privacy, and stored browsing information. If your browser is running into login problems on a specific website, this is usually the best place to make a safe adjustment. After that, look to the panel on the left side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains the options related to cookies, cached files, and other website data stored in the browser. In many cases, Reddit login errors happen because the browser is holding onto temporary data that no longer matches the current login session, so this is the area we want. Next, find and click Delete Browsing Data. This option allows you to remove saved website information that may be causing conflicts. Don't worry, in this walkthrough you're only targeting recent data, which makes this a fast and low risk fix for common login issues. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, select Last 15 minutes as the time range. Then choose the option that says From this device. This helps remove the most recent local data that may be blocking the login process without necessarily clearing everything from a longer time period. It's a smart first step because it focuses on the data most likely connected to the problem you just experienced. Once that's done, return to Reddit and try signing in again. In many cases, refreshing the browser session this way is enough to resolve the error. If the page still seems stuck, give the tab a refresh after clearing the data and then attempt the login one more time. That's it. By accessing your browser menu, opening settings, going into privacy and security, deleting browsing data, and selecting the last 15 minutes from this device, you can often fix Reddit login problems in just a couple of minutes.